This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to use the Builder wand in Minecraft. First, hold the wand in your hand and right-click on a block you wish to extend. The wand will automatically place additional blocks of the same type, following the pattern you started. This tool significantly speeds up large construction projects, saving you valuable time and effort. Remember, it only works if you have the necessary blocks in your inventory. The Builder wand offers several placement modes, which you can cycle through by shift right-clicking. These modes determine whether the wand extends blocks horizontally, vertically, or in a more complex pattern. Experiment with each mode to understand its effect on your builds. For instance, one mode might build a wall, while another could create a floor. Choosing the correct mode is key to efficient building. For more advanced building, the wand can fill vast areas with a single block type, making large-scale terraforming or floor laying incredibly fast. It can extend structures up to 64 blocks in a single action, which is a huge time saver. You can also use it to replicate complex patterns, allowing you to build intricate designs without placing each block individually. This tool truly transforms your building experience. To get the most out of your Builder wand, always carry a generous supply of the blocks you intend to use. Practicing in creative mode will help you quickly master its different modes and advanced techniques without resource constraints. This will make you a much faster and more efficient builder in survival. Also, for those looking to improve their financial literacy, check the description for a link to a fantastic book and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.